questions related to the same. You said about the content creation. You said people take risks. Yeah. One question is, of course, with that, I'm sure you know about the recent controversy about Samay Raina as well. What is your take on that? And secondly, you being in the industry for so long, do you think appearing on reality shows is still relevant as an actor?
See, answering to your first question, I feel, every person makes some or the other content. In this world, there is every person who is doing and whose language of entertainment is different. You need to be responsible to choose what language you want to pick and give exposure to, whether to your family, whether to your kids, you have to be responsible about that. We have to be responsible. We can't say that, oh, why is the bad happening? The bad is happening. It's all across the world. You have to be disciplined. You can't say, why are you showing it? Why are you watching it? So for me, it's more of self-discipline than pointing out fingers, because every person in this world. Now what is happening is, today there is no India, US, everything is one content, one platform. This entire internet is one platform. You have everything. You can't start just bang this, bang that, ban. How much of restrictions will you have? No. You have to have self-discipline, self-restrictions, and then choose. The second question about reality television, I think every time, every phase for every human being, it's different. When you go to a show called, say, Roadies, that is a normal person becoming a roadie, a regular guy who's not exposed to the industry. When you talk about a Big Boss or Khatron Ke Khiladi that I did last, that's all celebrity, celebs doing that, So you are a recognized person getting out of your comfort space and then exploring something new, which is action, which is, something which is there a part of our industry. For me, I'm an actor. So for an actor, doing action sequences is normal, but doing action sequences and trying to win it, oh wow, it's beautiful. So I think both have different logics to it, depending on who you are, what you want to be. If you're a singer, Saregama or these kind of reality television is beautiful for them to showcase their voice. So I think reality show has a different market, and it's beautiful to be in, depending on what you want to show. Like a Big Boss, you show yourself. Okay, this is who I am. Tera hai, par mera hai.